Here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, we were tracking some pretty hefty thunderstorms earlier in the morning with some heavy downpours, a lot of lightning. That stuff is long gone. Now we're dealing with some fairly tranquil conditions, but the clouds are hanging tough. We're catching a little bit of sunshine here and there, but that's really about it. So far, we've received about 1 1/3 inches in Providence, close to 1.5 inches in Newport, about 1/2 inch in Westerly. Look out here across New Bedford, 1.75 inches of rainfall. Drought, what drought? Technically, we're still in a drought, but for the month, we're well above normal, close to 2 inches above normal so far during the month of May. And since January 1st, we're getting there. We're about 5 inches below normal. So that's almost like losing one whole month's worth of rainfall. It was as much as 6 to 7, 8 inches below normal. So we're getting there. Another good rainstorm. We might be out of this drought. Live city cam picture showing lots of clouds out there, 64 degrees with a wind from the south-southeast at about 12 miles an hour. The satellite radar picture showing that rain off in the Atlantic Ocean now, and the clouds remaining tough, holding on to southern New England skies. We have a little disturbance off to our west, a cold front further on off to the north and west with some showers and thunderstorms out ahead of that. We're going to be seeing this front working its way on off to the north and west. Out ahead of it, the atmosphere, at least in our area, will likely be stable enough that we're not going to be seeing any strong showers or thunderstorms. But off across western Mass into southern New Hampshire, there could be some stronger storms a little bit later in the day. Well, of course, we'll be watching things locally very closely. We may find a couple of isolated showers around in the northwestern part of the state a little bit later on in the afternoon and the evening, but that should be about it. Behind the front, drier air will be working its way in, setting us up for a beautiful day tomorrow, just about perfection with much less humid air around. Even Friday looking good. We are monitoring an ocean storm well off to our south. Doesn't look like it'll have too much of an impact on us. Let's take a look at this with our live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Neighborhood Futurecast. Here we are, 3 o'clock this afternoon. Notice some little blips of green in here. Might be a couple of showers into the early evening, and then after that our skies should be clearing out. And then we're looking at nice weather as we head into the daytime tomorrow. Our skies continuing to clear out throughout the morning hours tomorrow. So for this afternoon, low 70s if we can catch enough sunshine, 72 in downtown, the east side about 72. Further south you go, might be a little bit cooler, 71 in Barrington and Warwick. Probably a little bit more in the way of cloudiness along the south shore with temperatures topping out only in the upper 60s. 71 degrees in Coventry. Up in northern Rhode Island, still going to be a little bit muggy this afternoon in Burrillville and Foster, Johnston and Cumberland until the low 70s. Over in southeastern Massachusetts, temperatures out here topping out in the upper 60s to lower 70s. So for this evening, might be a spot shower mainly to the north and west with temperatures falling back through the 70s and 60s. Skies clear out overnight as the cold front comes on through right around midnight. Temperatures tomorrow, look at that, 74 degrees with sunshine. Great on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Next chance of rain after today will be next Tuesday, with clouds and temperatures around 74 degrees. So a beautiful stretch of weather ahead once we can kick these clouds out of here.